How to turn on or off developer mode on Android device. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn on or turn off or enable or disable developers mode on Android. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy. All you have to do is you can head into your device settings quickly. Now I'll just open up settings. Once you open up settings, you want to scroll down all the way below until you find the option about phone. Now you can see the developer options because I've already enabled it, but I'll just show you how you can enable it. Simply tap on about phone option, and here what you can do is you want to scroll down here and head into software information option. Once you tap on software information, you can see various options. Right now you want to tap on this build number option that you can see here. You want to tap it multiple times, 2 to 3 times, and if your developers mode isn't enabled, it'll ask you to enable it. It'll ask you, do you want to enable it, and it'll ask you for your password, and once you do enter in your device password, you'll be able to enable it. Now in order to disable it, you can open up your settings and scroll down and you'll get the developers mode options. Right, you can see developer options. Simply tap on it, and at the very top you can see my developers mode is on. You want to simply tap on that, toggle that button off, and it'll be disabled. Once you disable it, if you head back, you can see it'll be removed from here. Now if I just open it back up again, it'll be removed. So this way you can turn on and turn off developers mode on Android device. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.